Hey everybody, Bobby Deen here, and I've got another great recipe for you today that's really pretty and something that my mom definitely, my grandma Paul, my Aunt Peggy, and probably your moms and aunts, and you might have seen these in your own home. Trifles. They're really pretty and they're really simple. They're usually an angel food cake involved and a bunch of fresh berries, and we happen to live in a place where we have access to good, fresh fruits and vegetables year-round, and so this recipe is right up our alley. I'm going to show you a skinny berry trifle. Strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, orange juice, orange zest, and sugar. And all that we're going to do is combine all of these items in the bowl. We'll cover it with plastic wrap and let it sit for a little while and get really juicy and married together. And then we'll come back and we'll layer our trifle in a beautiful dish. And it'll be something that is elegant looking and your guests will love to see when they walk in the door, but it's very simple. So let's get started. We've got our berries all washed and strawberries are cut and everything looks good to go. I'm going to give a quick whisk to my sugar, orange juice, and zest, just to make it a little easier to mix with our fruit here. Beautiful. This is perfect for these hot, golly, it's been so fire hot here in Savannah. Summertime, you know, around the 4th of July and Memorial Day's coming up, or Labor Day, and all these good hot holiday gatherings that we have. This is perfect for any of them. You know, and we always try our best not to tear up stuff, and in the name of not tearing up my fruits, I'm going to use a pair of salad hands here and see if I can keep them intact while kind of gently combining everything that looks so nice. I'd like to spoon into that just like it is. So that's it. We're just going to combine it, cover it with a little plastic wrap, and then we'll come back and make our trifle. Our berries look great. We had them covered with some like cling wrap for about 20 minutes or so, and they look really nice and juicy, and they've married with the zest and the sugar and the orange juice. That looks really, really nice. So it's time to build the trifle. And it starts with angel food cake. This is when I wish we had like time-lapse photography, so you could speed this up like ultra high. And then berries. Try to make sure you get your berries all throughout, because the idea is you want to be able to see it in the sides, obviously. You want it to be pretty and tasty. Somebody moving furniture?
Getting some.
Oh, gutters. That's right.
I saw that.
Good. I need a gutter going. So a layer of berries. And now a layer of the good whipped topping. Don't see a trifle every day. This is kind of a, it makes me think of, I don't know, my youth. I mean, I definitely saw these around when we went to Statesboro for Thanksgiving, and maybe at Grandma Paul's house, and maybe at Aunt Peggy's, and my mama for sure. But it just kind of makes me think sort of a older days. Okay. So some more angel food cake. Beautiful. It's going to be the perfect amount also. Going to fill it right up to the rim. And this is, Teresa just told me, now, Bobby, I know you like for things to be perfect, and she's right. Isn't that interesting? There's so little that's perfect in my life. And about me that's perfect, but I like things to be just perfect. Why don't you start with yourself? I read something the other day that said, if you're such a people pleaser, name 3 people that are pleased with you. And I thought, okay, that's great. None. I love it.
Pally boys.
Pally Boy is pleased with me, and Sissy. That's 2. I think that's it. Such a people pleaser. Name 3. These berries are so beautiful, and this smells so good. That orange juice and the zest is really gonna add a lot. What a nice looking trifle. And these are my preferred, fruits. But if you wanted to shake this up some, I think you certainly could. But you can't go wrong with bananas and raspberries and blueberries. So nice. Put this thing in the refrigerator for a little while and let it get cold all the way through. It'll be really, really delectable. Wonderful. Yeah, that looks good. I think some orange slices would have been nice in there. But what I know. What do you think, Teresa? Does it look good?
Mm-hmm.
Put it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours and let it get cold all the way through.
Put some mint on top of it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think so too. I just said some orange slices would have been good in that. What do you think about that? Am I on the wrong track with that?
No, but we put a lot of orange juice already in it.
Yeah.
And so.
But like slices of tangerine.
Well, you can. That's the beauty. Is we always tell everybody.
Yep.
You can
That's right.
do whatever.
Do
whatever
what
you like. Make it your own.
Do what you want. I'm gonna load this thing up on top too. You think I'm at risk of doing harm if I keep it going?
Nope. I think it'll settle in.
Mm-hmm.
You have a little bit of place over here if you want to
Where is it?
head that way.
Fill it in.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is so good. So good.
Think you're hitting it, though.
Yeah, that's about it. Oh, beautiful. From the garden.
From the garden.
Gosh, I don't even know. I don't think I want to, what do you think? What about like laying long ways? What's going to look best, or should I break them down?
I just do them.
Like that?
Yeah. Eddie, looking okay?
Looks good. Too much or no? I think that's pretty. I think it looks really, really nice. So, berry trifle. It's one of those things that's going to look like you went to a whole lot more effort than maybe you did. You won't even be able to see it as well if I hold it up. But you can see the layers look really, really nice. Start with the angel food cake and then berries and the whipped topping and then so on and so on. I think it looks really nice. Beautiful. So into the fridge with you. Skinny berry trifle. Great for your summer gatherings or just for your family. Enjoy.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.